Hey there, everybody. I'm here to talk about two of my favorite things, March Madness and EduProtocols. So, if you go to sethponder.com and you click on the March Madness tab, I want to talk to you today about big slides. So, you've heard of thin slides, you've heard of thick slides. Big slides are where it's at. So, my students just did some research on all 68 teams in March Madness. They looked up wins, losses, hometowns, home states, and the school website. The next thing they're doing is they're doing a whole bunch of spreadsheet work. That is in a previous video. I'll add that up here somewhere. And we are then doing big slides for our Wired Wednesday. If you click on this, you'll see I got a template for you. So a big slide is a piece of paper. It's a slide that's 8.5 by 11. So you can easily print these and put them all over your room after the students are done. Also, since it's a big slide, I'm asking for some certain things in here to kind of keep it uniformed and keep it good looking. And then this is what my students did this week. As you can see, we learned about all kinds of schools. I had students in the different classes pick different schools. And so we learned all about the schools in the 64 and had a lot of fun doing it. So if you're interested in combining March Madness and EduProtocols, this is a great way to do it. It introduces students to all kinds of different schools they've never ever heard of. I think everybody's heard of Yale, but that's okay. Have a great day, and I'd love to hear how you incorporate March Madness into your classroom, and especially if you're using EduProtocols. Have a good one.